Boy, it's been a while.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Marissa. In today's video, I'm doing a speed clean of my kitchen and dining room, half bathroom, and living room.
If I want to remain sane, but you ghosted every text and call.
Okay, so I always start by putting things away, clearing things out, and wiping my dining set. I always start by doing that. I don't know why. I just feel that it's the least messy, so it motivates me to keep on going.
Just stop doing what you said. Ooh, I think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I've been staring at my phone too long.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna load the dishwasher with all the dirty dishes in the sink, and then I'll wash the bigger items by hand.
Something you're not telling me, but I can't wrap my head around it. You said you and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, I think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. Wish my mind and I could free ourselves from agony, but without you here it's hard to keep my thoughts clean. I'm just worried there is something you're not telling me. Ooh, ooh. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad.
Okay, so now I'll wipe all my countertops and all my appliances.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop.
If you don't follow me on social media, my Instagram is Marissa Doleo. There I post daily stuff, what I'm doing, and about my family and pictures and stuff. A lot of food posts, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go ahead and follow me.
I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just say, no say, with me, I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost.
So what motivates you to clean your house or to do something like that, you guys? Do you listen to music or watch videos? I personally love to listen to music and sing to it and dance while I'm doing things. Sometimes I watch videos just to get me started, to pump me up a little bit. So let me know in the comments, what do you do to motivate you?
Complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just think, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
So I rarely clean my husband's bar. He hates when I move things around and organize because he says I beautify it and that's a man's corner, whatever that means. But I need to dust it and clean it and just organize it a little bit just so it looks pretty, because obviously that's where we hang out and stuff. So I like it to look organized.
Bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me?
So now I'm using this Pinalen to mop my floors. I love how it smells. It's in the scent lavender. I think it works a lot better than Fabuloso, to be honest. I found it a few months ago and I've been loving it since. I found it at Walmart and it just smells so good, and the smell like lingers for a very long time.
This is what I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
Okay, so now I'm gonna clean my half bathroom. It's a very small area in there, you guys, so that's why I don't film it a lot, but I'm just gonna wipe things down. I do my own disinfecting wipes with alcohol, that Pinalen liquid that I just showed you, and water, with paper towels, and they work great and smell great, and I just like how you can use them in the mirrors and everything else. So that's what I'm using to clean the bathroom.
Know what I'll find, maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box, I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on.
I was so happy that I didn't have to pick up any toys this night. My oldest son has been helping pick up toys with his brother, because the little one is the one that makes the mess. So he's been helping out, and I'm just like so happy that I don't have to do it as often anymore. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe down the tables, because all those sticky fingers from every day, and they get pretty dirty pretty fast. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna vacuum and mop the floors.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all.
It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is...
If you're still here, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing and like my video. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so YouTube lets you know when I upload videos. And again, guys, thank you so much. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Even care, no, I don't even care.